Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Imagine a flavor that combines the best of lobster and traditional crab, infused with a subtle hint of coconut. That's the unique magic of the coconut crab, an incredible delicacy found in tropical regions. Its rich, sweet meat offers a truly unforgettable taste, making it a highly sought-after culinary experience. We're about to explore how to prepare this amazing creature, bringing an exotic, delightful dish right to your table for a truly special occasion. Get ready for a unique culinary journey. First, sourcing your coconut crab ethically is paramount. Always check local regulations and ensure your supplier is legitimate. Once you have your crab, you must prepare it humanely before cooking. This involves quickly stunning the crab, then thoroughly cleaning it by removing the gills and any internal organs not intended for consumption. Proper preparation ensures both safety and the best flavor, setting the stage for a truly exquisite meal. This crucial step is often overlooked, but it makes all the difference. Steaming is by far the best way to cook coconut crab, as it gently preserves its delicate texture and enhances its natural sweetness. To begin, fill a large pot with 1 or 2 inches of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Carefully place your prepared crab into a steamer basket, ensuring it rests above the water. Cover tightly and steam for about 15 to 25 minutes, depending on the crab's size. You'll know it's ready when the shell turns a vibrant orange-red color, signaling it's perfectly cooked. Once your coconut crab is beautifully steamed, it's time to extract that delicious meat. A simple approach is often the best, enhancing its natural flavor with just a squeeze of fresh lemon, a dash of melted butter, or a sprinkle of sea salt. Use a crab cracker or a small mallet to open the claws and legs, revealing the tender, sweet meat within. Don't forget to check the body cavity for hidden treasures of rich, flavorful crab butter. Serve immediately, perhaps with a fresh green salad. While steaming is ideal, feel free to experiment with other cooking methods like grilling or baking for a smoky twist. For grilling, have the crab and brush with garlic butter before placing it on medium heat. Pair this exquisite dish with a crisp Sauvignon Blanc or a light tropical beverage to complement its rich flavors. Cooking coconut crab is an adventure, resulting in a truly luxurious meal. Enjoy every bite of this special, unique seafood, celebrating a memorable culinary journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.